What's up, guys? I hit 100 subscribers and I'm so happy. The last time I checked it was 100 and plus a little, but I'm so happy and I'm thanking you all for subscribing. I'm thanking you for commenting. I started this, I wouldn't say as a joke. I said, okay, let me try, do something I like to cook, So I'm here and I'm building my subscriber one by one, step by step, and I'm very proud of where I'm at today. So thank you so much. And I really appreciate your support. And I'm asking you again to share my videos. Tell someone about it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
My baby, my Valentine, yo. Can I hear the making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Angie's Home Cooking. This evening, I'm gonna make jackfruit mango drink. I'm gonna call it Jackfruit Mango Delight. So I'm gonna use the jackfruit, mangoes, some ginger, some lime. So jackfruit is a very popular fruit in Jamaica. Some people like it, some don't. I like it. You can use jackfruit to do a lot of different stuff. Drink, you can make a salad with it, put it in a salad. You can cook the seed. And it's a very healthy drink. It's a very tasty drink if you know how to do it. I have been doing jackfruit drinks since I was about 20. So I choose 2 ripe mango and 1 green mango to do this drink. This mango here sort of not good, so let me lose half of the mango here. Okay, this is not good at all, but I'll use the part that That's good. And this is ginger. I washed them. So in here I have the in here I have the jackfruit. I'm cutting some ginger in here. And you know, guys, that ginger to any drink is very nice. Give it a nice flavor. Some people like a lot of ginger, some don't. I sort of like to taste the ginger. I grew up in a community by the name of Delphland in Westmoreland, and every Friday there's this lady used to name Miss Cuddy. She used to do ginger drink. I mean, the rich ginger drink and toto. I used to enjoy buying this from her. Nice toto. Nobody else make toto like that. Again, real Jamaican toto. Me sorry, me never used to watch her when she used to make the toto. I know how to make the real ginger drink. I know how to make the toto, but I don't think I can get it as good as her. Miss Cuddy, may your soul rest in peace. Me used to love the lady there. Miss Cuddy. So here I am cutting my mango from a Jackfruit and Mango Delight. Yes, that's what I name it. Jackfruit and Mango Delight. And again, I'm telling everyone, I'm not a chef. I love to cook. I love to create. And I do some things differently because Jamaican cooking not come down from God written upon one stone, say I said for do. So it can be done in different ways. Some people like to criticize, but I'm doing it my way. And I'm doing it Angie's way. That's why it's Angie's home cooking. Yes, yes, yes. So everyone, you know, you can cook. Everybody can create something no matter what. Just do what you feel to do. Just create anything you love to do. You just do it. I love practical stuff. You know, guys, that I'm also a fashion designer. Look at my hair. I did my hair. So I'm very good with my hands. I love to work with my hands. Guys, I love this blender. One bad blender. You know, I got it at the Wendy Williams show one year. Ramona got one, I got one. And it's a very good blender. It's like heavy duty. Big up yourself, Wendy. Yeah, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up. So you don't have the show anymore, which I think is by choice. But I have stuff that I use. I've been to your show many times, and I've gotten numerous items, and I'm enjoying it. Big up. I love the color, guys. Real nice color. The color is nice, and the smell. I'm smelling the jackfruit, and I'm smelling the mango and the ginger. That's stand out. It's gonna be very refreshing. I know. Most of us are eating healthy nowadays, juicing. We have all these fruits, especially my Jamaican who are living in Jamaica. Use up the fruits, them man. Use them up. Juice, blend, grater. If you don't have blender, you grater. Healthy living. I'm trying to. Me not healthy, no. Me not eat healthy, but I love natural drink. People, them lime are tough. So when they're tough, they don't have the juice. They don't have much juice, so say you have to roll it. Country style. This is the lime that I'm juicing to add to the drink. So like how I don't have much strength, I have to use a spoon to break it down. It's much easier than squeezing. If you don't have strong hands, I don't. Okay, so I'm pouring this into the mixture. That is ginger, mangoes, and the jackfruit. The color is pretty, don't? Okay, people, I'm gonna give away one of my little secret. When I'm doing drinks, like refreshing drink like this, I add salt. To me, salt bring up the taste, so I put a little salt in my juice. And yes, Lord, a white sugar may I use. I mean, no business who want cost, but a white sugar may I use. It's not the best, it's not, you know, very healthy, but I want to maintain the color. And from the back then say 100% cane sugar. I say cane, you know, say because it go through so much process to be white and not so healthy, but I use the white sugar. Me like see the color. Oh my god. The jackfruit is very pronounced in this drink. I can taste it. So as you see, it wasn't a lot of jackfruit that I put in I blend. So you don't have to use a lot of jackfruit because I didn't, and I'm still tasting the jackfruit strong in the drink, right? So I'm gonna pour my drink, present it to you, and again, my subscribers, I'm asking you to comment, like, and please share my video. Yes, may I beg, share, you know, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking and commenting on my videos. It's like 2 weeks ago I hit my 100 subscribers. I'm proud. Some people that's not a lot, but I am proud, and I'm thanking you all for supporting me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Angie's Home Cooking. Thank you. Jackfruit Mango Delight. This is my Jackfruit Mango Delight. Refreshing. Try it.